Judaism, the monotheistic religion of the Jewish people. Based on the teachings of the Torah and Talmud. Synagogue, a place of worship for Jewish people. Torah, the central reference of the religious Judaic tradition. It includes the first 5 books of the Hebrew Bible. Menorah, a candelabrum with 7 branches, typically used in Jewish religious ceremonies. Kosher food that is prepared according to Jewish dietary laws. Passover, a major Jewish spring festival that commemorates the liberation of the Israelites from Egyptian slavery. Yarmulke, a skullcap worn by Jewish men during religious services. Shabbat, the Jewish Sabbath, a day of rest and worship that begins on Friday evening and ends on Saturday evening. Matzah, unleavened bread traditionally eaten by Jewish people during the Passover holiday. Rabbi, a Jewish scholar or teacher, typically ordained for Jewish law and scripture. Hanukkah, an 8-day Jewish holiday known as the Festival of Lights, commemorating the rededication of the Second Temple in Jerusalem. Bar Mitzvah, a Jewish ceremony marking the coming of age of a boy, usually celebrated at the age of 13. Seder, a ceremonial meal commemorating the exodus of the Israelites from Egypt, held during Passover. Mezuzah, a parchment inscribed with religious texts affixed to the doorpost of a Jewish home. Talmud, the collection of Jewish laws and traditions consisting of the Mishnah and the Gemara. Can you spot the target words in these sentences? 1. I am learning about Judaism in my class at school. 2. We go to the synagogue on Saturdays for prayers. 3. My teacher read from the Torah during our lesson. 4. The menorah is lit during Hanukkah celebrations. 5. We eat kosher food because of our religious beliefs. 6. We celebrate Passover with a special meal called Seder. 7. I wear a yarmulke when I visit the synagogue. 8. Our family observes Shabbat by resting and praying. 9. We eat matzah during the Passover festival. 10. The rabbi at our synagogue leads the services. 11. I received gifts for Hanukkah during the holiday. 12. My cousin had his bar mitzvah ceremony last week. 13. The whole family gathers for the traditional Seder meal. 14. We have a mezuzah on our door for protection. 15. I am studying the Talmud to learn more about our religion.